Okay, class 12. Today topic is parallel plate capacitor, parallel plate capacitor with dielectric. The concept of dielectric was explained to you during WhatsApp chatting. We did WhatsApp group. We had a conversation and I cleared this dielectric once again. Before starting it, children, dielectric are a kind of insulators only. Basically, they are insulators only. They do not allow electric charges to flow through it, but they change the electrical property. They displace the charges. So there is some change in the electrical property. This is very important in case of parallel capacitors, because they increase their capacitance when dielectric is placed between them. Na? Your capacitance storage capacity increases. So here the important concept comes when we fill the parallel plate capacitor plates. These are the two plates, A and B, and when we fill a parallel dielectric slab in between them, say T be the thickness of this slab, it may be of glass, it may be mica, we can use rubber. These are dielectrics. They do not allow electric current to pass through them. Okay, flow of electric current, but they displace the charges get a dipole is formed. Okay, so if we consider a parallel plate capacitor, suppose AB is a parallel plate capacitor, positive plate, and this one is negative, and this one is earth, and let a slab, dielectric slab of thickness T is placed in between them. Now due to this dielectric slab there will be polarization. Now again, polarization means, polarization is displacement of charges. Here positive, so here a negative charge will be created here, and here a positive charge will be created here. So there will be some electric field due to this, say EP. Let the name be EP, and let E0 represents a electric field without dielectric. Electric field without dielectric. So wherever you get a not type of notations, here this 0 subscript, that means we are not using dielectric. So even C0 is, what is the value of C0? My earlier video I have derived this formula. What was the value of that? If you are studying, you must be knowing it. Epsilon 0 A by D. A was the area of the plate, D was the distance between the two plates, and epsilon 0, no medium was there. Okay, permittivity of the medium, air or vacuum. So C0 is clear to you. Now when this dielectric slab is placed in it, okay, there occurs polarization, and suppose E0 is the electric field. So what is the direction of E0? This is the direction of E0. Now this is opposite to the direction of polarization field. See, what is the direction of polarization field? It is in this direction, EP. So electric field will get reduced. What will be the value of electric field? E0 minus EP. This is reduced electric field. The net electric field will be reduced due to placing of this dielectric. And the ratio of E0 upon E0 is initial without dielectric divided by reduced value of electric field, is called dielectric constant. This is known as dielectric constant. Even relative permittivity, we use this notation also, dielectric constant. Okay, so by placing this dielectric, what happens? The potential of the plate reduces. The potential of the parallel plate capacitor reduces. And what is the value of potential then? Potential will become, say, V. Now general formula already told, negative potential gradient is equal to electric field, or you can say potential is electric field into distance. So we can write a general form, a reduced value of V. Please try to understand this. It will be product of electric field into distance. We will use here E0. Suppose if we are considering E0, how much is the air as the medium, the space that is left of air, E0 into, pay attention, d minus t. D was the total distance, T was the thickness, so this much space is remaining. So it will be E0 d minus t plus, due to this reduced electric field has been reduced. How much? E. E into due to thickness T. This is the reduced value of potential. This much should be very clear to you. This is the formula, electric field into distance, and you have to use like this, that you have to take initial electric field in which there is air, the spacing is air, and the thickness T. Both we are using. See, distance, we have covered all the space filled inside the capacitor. Now please pay attention to this. This will remain same, t minus t plus, in the value of this E we will substitute it. It can be written as E0 upon k into t. Substituting this, E0 upon E is equal to k, so E can be written as E0 upon k. Okay, see here, if you are not getting it, E0 upon E is equal to k, so E0 upon k is equal to E0 upon k will be equal to E. This value you can place it over here, you will get this much. E0 can be taken as common, d minus t plus t upon k. Okay, this much is clear to you. This is potential. Now one more thing, you know that E0 is epsilon 0 upon this sigma upon epsilon 0. Sigma was surface charge density. Remember, this one also I have derived, surface charge density. This is from the Gauss law. We have derived the electric field due to plane sheet of charges. Sigma upon epsilon 0, epsilon 0. So electric field we know, sigma upon epsilon. We can put the value of sigma upon epsilons over here. Secondly, Q is equal to CV. This is the formula. This is equation 1. Say this, let this be 1, 2 and 3. Q is equal to CV, or Q can be written as C into V, E0 d minus t plus t upon k. Okay. Now E0 can be written as sigma upon epsilon 0 d minus t plus t upon k. Q is equal to this much, or Q can also be written as, or sigma can be written as, say, C into sigma can be written as Q upon A epsilon 0 d minus t plus t upon k. I think you are getting it. Just substituting value of Q, sigma. What is sigma? It is charge per unit area, surface charge density, charge upon area. This charge and charge will get cancelled. You will get C. Make this C over here. Please, you have to transpose these denominator to the left hand side, and C should be remain there only. So A epsilon 0 upon d minus t plus t upon k is equal to C. This is, children, this is the value of capacitance due to dielectric slab in between parallel plate capacitor. Okay, now suppose this slab has been completely filled between it, that is T is equal to D. Suppose, okay, thickness is equal to distance between the two plates has been filled completely by the slab, then D will be equal to T. You can write over here A epsilon 0 upon D minus D plus D upon K. This will get 0, and you will get answer as K can be moved upwards. A epsilon 0 upon D is equal to C, or you can say C is equal to, this is C0, sorry, C is equal to K times C0. See, this is a new capacitance when slab has been filled completely, the space has been filled completely by dielectric. Then answer is C is equal to K C0. C0 is what? It is initial without dielectric, A epsilon 0 upon D. So the capacitance of a capacitor can be increased by placing a glass or a mica sheet or a rubber sheet between parallel plate capacitor. Very important concept related to numericals also. So in order to increase the capacitance, we can place dielectric. I think this much is clear to you. Next video I will tell about the combinations of capacitors and